Guys, so this is really exciting now. The Stone Alpha website is going to go live any day now in beta. You're getting a lot of information for free here, so I'm going to appreciate it if you could buy me a coffee, and that would just support the build. You can see the pricing's all kind of gone down to free, so everything that comes on this site is going to be free. So what are you getting? You're going to get the ability to model end of day data. Please, if you're looking to trade stock or anything like that, forget it. The site's not going to be for you. If you're looking to invest in stock and find out where things are going over the next kind of 6 months to a year, then this site's going to be brilliant for you. So just by way of example, you'll select any stock from here. Let's just keep it to Microsoft. This is all going to be arranged properly, by the way, so it's just kind of all over the place right now, but I wanted to share it with you. So if you go down to say, okay, so Microsoft, by way of example, it's had a P ratio, and I'll be explaining all these terminologies as well. So it's had a high P ratio over the last 5 years of 31 times its earnings, right? So we know that Microsoft has appetite for it to be traded at 31 times what it earns. Okay, so we know that historically over the last 5 years, it has done that. Right now, we know Microsoft is currently at 21 times earnings. So I've got to double check the numbers here, but it's about here right now. Or is it? Oh no, sorry, that's the average. So this is where it's sitting right now, which means that, hey, look, we've got potential for all of this, right? So let's go model it. Let's go take the PE ratio to a forward basis of, say, let's just keep it to 30. That takes us to a price of $590. So we know Microsoft has that potential. But obviously now you're going to have to manage a free cash flow. You're going to have to see that that cash flow yield is in order. And then you have an implied price at different multiples here as well. Guys, this is going to be a brilliant tool for everyone to use. It is free right now. We're going to have market intelligence. You're going to be able to look at where the hedge funds are placed, in terms of where the asset managers are placed, all the pension funds and things like that. You're going to be able to see the open interest in the wider market. So the big traders, the ones who create the structure in the markets, will be able to see where they're positioned, who's doing what. And like, for example, if we look at Bitcoin as a quick example, we could see the leveraged money right now, net short, right? 50% of open interest. So there's big shorts in Bitcoin right now. I use this, by the way, when Bitcoin was at 120, I made a public announcement on my LinkedIn where Bitcoin will go down to 50K. It went down as far as 64, but I still think Bitcoin's going to crash. Anyway, this is the kind of stuff you're going to get for absolutely free. There's going to be Congress buys. There's going to be just so much stuff coming out, and even like an AI report that you'll be able to generate at the end of it. You're going to have to please support the build, buy me a coffee. But